If you or a loved one have been involved in a truck accident in the state of Nebraska and you've made your way to this web page and you're watching this video, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Steve Gordon with the law firm of Gordon and Elias, and we handle truck accident or commercial accident litigation. The first thing that you'll notice is different about Gordon and Elias than any other firm is that if it's Sunday, 2 a.m. in the morning right now, and you call that number, 1-800-773-6770, a lawyer will answer the phone, and that lawyer will have experience in truck accident litigation. You'll be able to speak about the many issues involved in a truck accident. For instance, how did it happen, whose fault it is, who got hurt, the type of injuries, and God forbid if someone passed away in the accident. So the final thing that you can talk about on that conversation is where your truck accident case could be filed. In the law, we call that venue selection. Just because an accident happened in Nebraska doesn't necessarily mean that you want to file it in Nebraska. There are many factors that go into play. Number one, we're a national firm. We have lawyers, relationships with lawyers in every state in the United States. And so we look at things on a national perspective. In almost every truck accident, there involves one or more states. So you need lawyers that are going to look at things from a national perspective and not be pigeonholed into where that particular lawyer's office is or where he or she lives. We determine the cause of the accident early. The cause is very important, and we want to make sure that we lock it down. It could be brakes. It could be fatigue. It could be driver negligence, recklessness. It could be drug usage on the part of the truck driver or alcohol usage. It could be company negligence. It could be improper loads. There are many different factors, and one of the things we do early on is to lock that down. Because we have a national orientation, we make sure that where your lawsuit is filed is the best place. You've all heard of some places being better than others for jury verdicts. Our goal is to get you in the best spot possible. It's imperative that you get the right doctor for the right medical care. And so Gordon and Elias makes sure if you have an orthopedic problem that you get an orthopedic or neurosurgeon to treat you, not just some general practitioner. So getting the right medical care is imperative. And finally, and I think most importantly, has nothing to do with lawyering. It has to do with being people and persons. This is your family and your family's livelihood. And we are literally like your family. At the end, I can assure you, we'll maybe be invited over to your house for dinner and vice versa. Because for some time period, we're going to be very close together. And those are the reasons why I would pick Gordon and Elias.